this evening I had posted something on Facebook. It was nothing but something about brain drain. uh, I'm sure यार 10th standard में बहुत सारों को याद रहेगा. We used to write essays about brain drain, saying that people are leaving your countries and going for education to another country. That could be US, Canada, Germany, anywhere, but not staying and maybe not returning back, and not wanting to return back actually. So all I'm saying is millions of Indians have already moved from India to other countries. So the amount of brain drain that we've seen over these years or decades is unbelievably high. Now this could anywhere because be of healthcare, higher education or better education, infrastructure, everything is better in other countries. That's why these people move out of India and go to other countries. So there's no harm in going to another country studying, but the point is the number of people or number of students that went in 90s, in 2000s, in 2010s, 20s, the numbers are going exponentially high. So this is something that we should be concerned about. I think the government, I don't know, I'm not sure if the government is looking into it, but I think and I feel for all the efforts that these guys put in. The people who actually leave the country and they want to have a better education, better life, better quality of life. That's all they want, and all they expect is India to have that. But currently, unfortunately, we don't. I mean, let's talk about the big elephant in the room. It's about not having the infrastructure, be it for education or healthcare. That's the basic needs. It's not there right now. So people are moving out, and the government is not doing anything about it. That's all I can say right now. And even if they're doing it, it's not at a very high scale. So one more to the list is I was recently reading a newspaper and saw an article about Bhavya Lal, who is the chief of staff in NASA right now. Indian American living in America, of course. She's chief of staff at NASA, who's involved in the Perseverance rover for Mars. The entire stuff that is called Perseverance. So that is another one to the list. And of course we have Satya Nadella, we have Sundar Pichai. There's so many others who have already moved out and doing well in other countries. So all I'm saying as an Indian right now is I'm a bit concerned. One side we say that we want India to be the global superpower. I mean, if we want to be the global superpower, we want these Indians to be back, or at least not leaving India and having a passport of maybe US or Canada or Germany or whatever, whichever country they feel like. So if you want to be the superpower, I think it's high time that we have the infrastructure to cater to all the needs that they are expecting off of India. So that is what I'm telling you right now. This is one of those topics that we are going to talk about. By the way, I am working on a project, and very soon it is going to be out. The project is nothing but a podcast. I'm going to talking about various topics that could range anywhere from healthcare, education, jobs, job search, life, friendship, anything. So I'm going to talk about this with my friends, or maybe alone if my friends are not available at that point in time. And I'm going to keep posting those videos on YouTube. So all I want is your support, and I hope I hope you would start liking these videos and share as much as you can, because your sharing means a world to me, and I hope you keep liking these videos. So subscribe. Thank you so much. See you until the next video.